Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to find your IBAN number for Danske Bank. You can find your Danske Bank IBAN number using the Danske mobile banking app by following these steps. First, open the Danske mobile banking app. Now, log into your account. After logging in the top menu, tap on Accounts. Now select the account for which you want to see the IBAN number. In the top right corner of your screen, tap the three dots. Now again tap on Account Details. Your Danske Bank IBAN number will be displayed. And there you have it. Follow the steps to find your Danske Bank IBAN number easily. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.